My question for our reflection today is this. What do we expect from God? When we pray, what are our expectations about God's response? We know that we would like to always have happy endings, that we recover our health, that we find a job, that we have security, that our relationships get better. But we also know that that doesn't always happen. Jesus in today's gospel tells us that he is a Messiah who will suffer, who will be rejected, and who will be killed. Not happy endings for him. But he says also to the disciples that he will be raised, that God will raise him up. So even though Jesus knew that he would have to suffer, that he would have to die, he also believed that God would remain with him, stay with him no matter what. We all have had to endure hardship and suffering in our lives. We all have had to drink from the cup of suffering. But if we keep our hope and our faith in God, then we needn't give in to despair. We needn't give in to sadness and grief. If we keep our hope in God, we can continue to believe that no matter what happens, no matter whether there are happy endings or not, that God will always be with us, that God will raise us up as he raised up Jesus. Thank you for watching today.